What's up, guys? I'm back with another pack opening. And today we're going to be opening up a fat pack of playoff football. We'll just get into it and fly right through it, honestly. Should be pretty quick. I heard playoff is a lot of base. We can get rid of the Kid Reporter card since Super Bowl 56 is far behind us. So we got Joe Mixon. Actually, let's just do a little bit at a time because it's a big chunk of cards here. Josh Jacobs, Eric Ebron, Tua, James Robinson, Michael Pirine, John Elway, Baker Mayfield, Jay Urbo, Randall Cobb, who I got in that repack box, so it's already a duplicate. Jerry Jeudy, T. Higgins, Darren Waller, Minkah Fitzpatrick, Bruce Smith, Chase Young, Isaiah Simmons, A-Rod, Joe Montana, K1, Calvin Ridley, who, if you don't know, betted on NFL games and he got suspended for the entire year. He'll probably be back next year, though. TJ Hawkinson, George Kittle, Harrison Smith, Emmitt Smith, Michael Thomas, Antonio Gibson, J.J. Watt, Barry Sanders, Fred Warner, rookie card of Jamar Chase. Nice. We'll just sleeve it up, honestly, because nothing really too special. Kelvin Joseph, Kyle Trask, hopefully he'll succeed TB12 next year. Amari Rodgers, who's not on the Packers anymore. Jalen Darden. Andre Cisco, green. Nico Collins, green. Dan Marino, green. And then Call to Arms of Aaron Rodgers. That's a pretty sick insert. And a rookie wave of Kadarius Toney. Call to Arms card is pretty sick. Let's see that up. Got some pretty nice, pretty decent cards, I'd say. Not really the greatest. I like the rookie wave of Kadarius Toney, but I kind of just ignored it just because he's not on the Giants anymore. He's on the Chiefs now. But yeah, pretty quick pack opening. Nothing really too special about playoffs. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like and subscribe. Peace out.